This method will make your pan look like new, and in just 5 minutes. I've tried many techniques, but none worked as well as this one. Start by generously sprinkling the burnt surface with table salt. Salt works as a gentle abrasive that helps lift grime and sticks to grease. Next, grab some baking soda from your kitchen cabinet and sprinkle it over the surface. It's a natural cleaner that neutralizes odors and breaks down grease and burnt residue. Now take the dish soap you have at home. Its surfactants are great at cutting through dirt and oil. Pour it generously over the pan. Then cover everything with layers of paper towel and pour water over it to soak the paper. Let the pan sit like this for about an hour. After that, remove the paper towel and see how the grime, burnt bits, and rust wipe away with ease. The initial heating of the pan helps activate the cleaning ingredients and softens the burnt-on residue. Once the burnt layer is gone, rinse the pan with warm water, and that's it. Your pan is now clean and ready to use again. With this method, you can restore its shine without harsh chemicals or scrubbing. Try it yourself and see how easy it is to bring your pan back to life.